Do your hands tingle lately? Do your legs feel weaker than they used to? Please know that this is not just age creeping in. It is actually a quiet signal that your body is running low on collagen. After 60, most people lose over 30% of their natural collagen without even realizing it. This is why your knees might ache when you stand up, or why your fingers feel numb after holding something for just a short while. Here is something important to understand. Over 90% of older adults have no idea this is happening to them. Collagen is what keeps your joints smooth, your nerves protected, and your muscles strong. When it starts to disappear, stiffness, weakness, and pain often follow. But here is the wonderful news. It is absolutely not too late to turn things around. You do not need expensive powders or complicated supplements. Nature has already given us everything we need. In today's discussion, we will walk through 8 powerful vegetables. Yes, simple, everyday vegetables that can help rebuild collagen, restore nerve function, and bring strength back to your legs and hands. Have you felt these symptoms lately? Maybe tingling fingers or heavy, aching legs? We would love to hear about your experience, as we truly care about your journey toward better health. The hidden truth about collagen loss. Before we dive into these healing vegetables, let me help you understand what is really happening in your body. Collagen is not just one thing. It is actually a family of proteins that form the scaffolding of your entire body. Think of it as the glue that holds everything together. Your skin, bones, muscles, tendons, ligaments, blood vessels, and even the protective coating around your nerves all depend on collagen to stay strong and flexible. When you were younger, your body produced collagen abundantly. It was like having a construction crew working around the clock, constantly repairing and rebuilding. But after 60, that construction crew slows down significantly. The workers are still there, but they need more support, better materials, and the right conditions to do their job effectively. This slowdown affects everything. Your joints lose their cushioning, which is why you might hear more creaking and popping sounds. Your nerve coverings become thinner, leading to those uncomfortable tingling sensations. Your muscles and tendons lose their elasticity, making you feel stiffer and less flexible. Even your blood vessels become less resilient, affecting circulation to your hands and feet. But remember, your body has not given up. It is still trying to produce collagen every single day. It just needs the right building blocks and support. That is where these 8 special vegetables come in. They provide exactly what your body needs to restart and enhance its natural collagen production. Red bell peppers. Your colorful collagen champion. Let us start with something colorful, familiar, and surprisingly powerful: red bell peppers. You probably have one in your refrigerator right now, sitting quietly beside the cucumbers or carrots. But do not let its simple appearance fool you. This sweet, crunchy vegetable is one of the most important foods you can eat if you want to protect your joints, nerves, and muscles after 60. Here is why red bell peppers are so special. They are absolutely packed with vitamin C. And when I say packed, I mean really packed. Just half a cup gives you more than 150% of your daily needs. Why is this so important? Because vitamin C is the key that unlocks your body's ability to build collagen. Without enough of it, your collagen production slows down dramatically. That is when problems begin. You might notice your knees getting stiff, your hands tingling more often, or that your balance is not quite what it used to be. But there is even more to this story. Red bell peppers also contain something called capsaicin, a natural antioxidant that helps protect the delicate collagen around your joints and nerves from wear and tear. Think of it like a protective shield. One that guards the soft tissues in your fingers, ankles, and knees from the tiny damages that build up over time. The beauty of red bell peppers is how versatile they are. You can slice them raw into your salad for a satisfying crunch. Dip them in hummus for a light, healthy snack. Or add them at the very end of a stir-fry so they stay crisp and retain their nutrients. The key is to avoid overcooking them, since high heat can destroy the precious vitamin C they contain. This is such a small habit, really. But if you start adding red bell peppers to your plate regularly, your body will thank you with less stiffness, better grip strength, and maybe even a spring in your step that you have not felt in years. Spinach, the quiet collagen protector. Next up is a quiet little hero that often gets overlooked: spinach. You have probably eaten it before, maybe in a salad or tucked into an omelet. But what most people do not realize is just how powerful this leafy green really is, especially when it comes to supporting your joints, nerves, and muscles as you age. Spinach is more than just a healthy vegetable. It is a collagen-preserving, nerve-protecting powerhouse. And your body over 60 truly needs what it offers. For starters, it is rich in vitamin A in the form of beta-carotene. This vitamin plays a key role in helping your body create and regulate collagen. Without it, the cells responsible for building collagen, called fibroblasts, start to slow down. This makes it much harder for your body to repair itself. But spinach does not stop there. It is also packed with lutein and chlorophyll, two nutrients that help clean up chronic inflammation in your body. And as you probably know, inflammation is one of the biggest enemies of aging joints and nerves. It sneaks in quietly, causing stiffness in your knees, burning sensations in your hands, or that dull ache in your legs when you walk. Now, here is where it gets really interesting. Spinach contains a healthy dose of magnesium, a mineral that over 60% of older adults are deficient in. Magnesium supports nerve signals, muscle movement, and the enzymes that build collagen. Without enough of it, your muscles might cramp, your hands might tingle, and your joints may not get the blood flow they need to stay strong. Even better, spinach is rich in natural nitrates. These help widen your blood vessels and improve circulation to those hard-to-reach areas like your fingertips, knees, and feet. Better blood flow means faster healing, stronger collagen fibers, and less of that pins and needles feeling that often sneaks up at night or during a walk. Okra, the misunderstood joint soother. Let us talk about a vegetable that often gets a bad reputation. Okra. Maybe you have avoided it because of its slippery texture, or maybe you have only had it once, tucked inside a stew. But here is something worth knowing. If your fingers feel stiff in the morning, or if your knees ache when you stand up, okra might be exactly what your joints and nerves are missing. This humble pod is rich in a natural gel-like fiber called mucilage. Think of it as a soothing cushion. It works a bit like the natural fluid that surrounds your joints. As we age and collagen breaks down, that cushion gets thinner, leaving bones and cartilage to rub together. That is when the pain starts. But mucilage, along with pectin and polyphenols in okra, helps calm inflammation and rebuild that protective barrier. Okra is also packed with nutrients your body needs to make collagen the right way. It has vitamin C to trigger collagen production, vitamin K to guide calcium into your bones instead of your joints, and manganese, a mineral your cells use to form prolin, one of the main building blocks of collagen. But that is not all. Okra contains quercetin and flavonoids, two powerful compounds that help protect your nerves from oxidative damage. This is especially important if you have been dealing with that uncomfortable tingling in your hands or feet, or even sudden weakness when walking. Often, it is not just nerve issues. It is the slow breakdown of collagen-rich tissue that wraps around and protects those nerves. Okra helps slow that process down. Broccoli, your green collagen warrior. Now let us take a fresh look at an old favorite, broccoli. It has been on your plate for years, maybe since childhood. But after 60, broccoli is not just a healthy green vegetable. It becomes a quiet warrior for your joints, your nerves, and your collagen. You see, as we age, the collagen matrix that holds our muscles, tendons, and ligaments together starts to weaken. That is why you might hear more cracking in your knees, feel stiffness in your ankles, or notice that your hands tire more quickly. It is not just wear and tear. It is the silent breakdown of the very structure that holds you up. And this is where broccoli steps in. Broccoli is rich in a powerful compound called sulforaphane. This natural chemical helps switch on your body's own repair genes, like a reset button for aging tissue. According to research, sulforaphane protects collagen-producing fibroblasts, reduces inflammation, and helps cartilage heal faster. That means better grip strength, stronger knees, and fewer of those sharp pains that catch you off guard. But the benefits do not stop there. Broccoli is also loaded with vitamin C, vitamin K, calcium, and glucosinolates. This is a perfect recipe for helping your body make and protect collagen. These nutrients do not just build new tissue. They help defend existing collagen from damage caused by arthritis, inflammation, or blood sugar spikes. Even more impressive, broccoli supports nerve health, a quiet but vital part of staying mobile and independent. The antioxidants in broccoli reduce damage around the small nerves in your hands and legs, helping restore steady movement and ease that burning or tingling feeling that can come with age. Beets, the circulation booster. Now let us talk about beets. Yes, those deep red roots you might remember from holiday dinners or jars of pickles. They are earthy, a little sweet, and for seniors, they are far more than just a colorful side dish. If your legs feel heavy when you walk, or your hands get cold even indoors, this humble vegetable could quietly become one of your best allies after 60. One of the silent culprits behind joint pain, muscle weakness, and tingling limbs is not always aging. It is often poor circulation. When blood does not flow well, the nutrients your body needs to repair collagen cannot get where they are needed most. And that is where beets shine. They are rich in natural nitrates, which your body turns into nitric oxide. This is a compound that opens up blood vessels and helps oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles, joints, and nerves more efficiently. In fact, a recent study showed that older adults who drank beet juice daily experienced improved blood flow in their legs, more energy when walking, and even stronger muscle activation. But what does that have to do with collagen? Everything. Better circulation means your body can deliver vitamin C, zinc, copper, and amino acids, the very building blocks of collagen, right where they are needed. Without that delivery system, collagen cannot form, no matter how well you eat. Beets also contain betaline, a powerful antioxidant that protects collagen from being broken down by inflammation and oxidative stress, two major causes of joint stiffness and nerve pain in older adults. And there is one more gift in this vibrant root: folate, a B vitamin that supports tissue repair and helps lower homocysteine, an inflammatory compound that can damage blood vessels and weaken collagen-rich tissues. Seaweed, the ocean's collagen secret. Here is something you may have walked past 100 times at the store without a second glance: seaweed. It might seem unfamiliar, maybe even a little strange, but if your knees feel tight, your hands tingle at night, or you just do not bounce back from aches like you used to, this humble plant from the ocean may be just what your body has been missing. Seaweed is one of nature's richest sources of collagen-activating minerals, especially iodine, copper, zinc, and manganese. These are the quiet workers behind the scenes. Your body needs them not just to build collagen, but to activate the enzymes that allow collagen fibers to form correctly. Without them, all the protein and vitamin C in the world will not do the job. But seaweed does not stop there. It contains fucoidan and alginate, two unique compounds shown in studies to stimulate fibroblasts, the very cells that produce collagen. This is especially important if you have been noticing tight tendons, weak grip strength, or stiffness around your joints. It is not just about comfort. It is about the structural network that supports your movement, balance, and even nerve protection. And there is something else seniors often overlook: your thyroid health. After 60, low iodine levels can lead to a sluggish thyroid, and that slows down everything, including collagen production, tissue repair, and circulation. Seaweed naturally supports thyroid function, helping restore the healing rhythm your body needs. Asparagus, the elegant nerve protector. Let us talk about something a little more familiar: asparagus. Maybe you have had it grilled on the side of a nice dinner or steamed until tender with a sprinkle of salt. But what many people do not realize is that this elegant green stalk is also one of the most powerful allies your body can have when it comes to rebuilding collagen and calming nerve pain after 60. You see, asparagus is rich in a compound called glutathione, often referred to as your body's master antioxidant. It helps protect and repair collagen fibers, especially in joints, skin, and nerve tissue. As we age, our glutathione levels naturally drop, leading to slower healing, more stiffness, and sometimes that frustrating burning or tingling feeling in the hands or legs. But asparagus gives your body a chance to restore that protective barrier. This gentle vegetable is also a good source of vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in directing calcium into your bones and keeping it out of your soft tissues. This is important because after 60, calcium sometimes goes where it does not belong, settling into your joints or blood vessels, leading to stiffness or nerve compression. Vitamin K helps guide it back where it should be, supporting stronger bones and healthier joints. Parsley, the tiny green powerhouse. Finally, let us talk about a tiny green herb that most people overlook: parsley. You have probably seen it sitting quietly on the edge of your plate, maybe used as a garnish for color. But after 60, parsley is not just decoration. It is one of the most powerful collagen-boosting foods you can add to your daily routine. Parsley is packed with vitamin C, and not just a little. A small handful contains even more than an orange. And as we have talked about, vitamin C is absolutely essential for collagen synthesis. Your body literally cannot build or repair collagen without it. So if your knees feel stiff or your hands do not have the grip strength they once did, this little herb can help fuel the healing process from the inside out. But that is just the beginning. Parsley also provides a rich dose of vitamin K, which helps your bones absorb calcium, while protecting your joints and blood vessels from calcification, a common problem after 60, that can lead to stiffness and inflammation. These two vitamins work together like a team, supporting both the creation and the preservation of collagen throughout your body. So if you have been feeling a little less steady on your feet, if your hands tingle when you rest, or your knees creak just a bit more than they used to, please know this: your body is speaking to you. It is not just getting older. It is a quiet call for collagen, for nourishment, and for gentle support from the foods nature gave us. You do not need fancy powders or expensive supplements. The truth is, healing can begin with what is already in your kitchen. From the bright crunch of red bell peppers to the quiet strength of parsley, these 8 vegetables can help rebuild your foundation, one meal, one bite, one day at a time. You have made it through decades of living, loving, and learning. Now it is time to give your body the kindness and care it has earned. Start small. Add one of these healing vegetables to your plate this week and watch how your hands, legs, and energy begin to shift. Remember, every small step you take is a victory, and you deserve to feel strong, steady, and supported at every stage of life.